Happy Thursday, A cohort students. I'm going to make a quick video here to explain what you need to do. I know we went over this at our Zoom meeting on Monday, but I just wanted to review it. And I highly recommend you watch this whole thing because I'm going to explain things in depth. So, at your own, or on your own at home, you are going to first watch this video, which I will link here once I finish recording. You are then going to do body paragraph 3 and the conclusion in your essay organizer. So in your essay organizer, please use these videos at the top. So use this paragraph 3 video and the conclusion video to write these, and use the prompts and examples I've given you. For paragraph 3, remember, your overarching category is lifestyle. So that's the topic of the paragraph. And then your 2 subtopics or subcategories, those were things that you chose. So make sure you fill those in and make sure you do that appropriately. So your first subtopic will be the first half of your paragraph, just like the previous 2. And then your second subtopic or subcategory will be the second half of the paragraph. I did not do an example for this paragraph. This is my example essay organizer. So you got to think on your own on this one. Use the previous 2 paragraphs if you need assistance. But fill this out. And then fill out the conclusion. The conclusion, I did part of an example, and then you need to finish the rest. Make sure you make all your writing blue, but again, you are doing body paragraph 3 and the conclusion. Once you have typed all of those in, go back to that essay document and finish copying and pasting your essay over. So again, remember, it will look something like this. So you have your introduction paragraph first, which is pretty short, and then your first body paragraph, and then second body paragraph, and then third, and then conclusion. So double check, you should have 5 paragraphs, and the first one's pretty short. I highly recommend you get all that done today, and if you have time, do this essay check form. And I say if you have time because, look down here in green. The essay organizer, the essay document, and the essay check form are all due Tuesday. Remember, the essay document will be your final draft. So everything is due next Tuesday, and that's because next week is MEA, so we don't have any Zoom meetings. I'm not going to see you at all. You are all virtual Monday and Tuesday. So on Monday, you have a little extra time to finish what you need to, but you will also have a little grammar assignment Monday. So just keep that in mind. Feel free to finish everything today. Or feel free to work on it over the weekend or Monday and Tuesday if you need to. But really try to get those top 4 bullet points done. And then if you have time, I highly recommend you get this essay check form done. Excuse me, sorry. And I'm going to explain what that is. So it looks like this. It is a Google form that you will fill out. This is kind of your last way to check your essay and to fix it before you turn it in. What I'm going to recommend you do is have this and your essay split screen, or have this form up on your phone and your essay up on your iPad or vice versa. But let me go through this form with you quickly. So you're just going to put your name, click that you are in 3rd hour, tell me what the most challenging thing about this essay was, and then how this is going to work is there is going to be a checklist for each paragraph. So it says, introduction paragraph. Read your introduction paragraph. So go back to your essay and read your introduction paragraph. Then check that your introduction paragraph has the following. If it is missing something, fix it before checking the box and submitting this form. So what that means is, after you read your introduction paragraph, you are going to go through this checklist. Do not check this off until your essay has it. You might just look at your essay quick and be like, oh, I've got it, check it. You might read this box, go to your essay and be like, wait, I don't have that, and you might have to fix it first and then check it off. So for example, it says, my essay starts with 2 sentences about characterization. Read your essay. If you've got it, click it. If you don't have it, maybe you only have 1 sentence about characterization, add a second and then click it. Then check your thesis. If you have it, click it. If you don't have it, fix it, then click it. Check to make sure you've indented. Once you have a proper indent, check it off. And make sure you have capital letters where they need to be in appropriate punctuation, and you will check it off. So eventually you'll have all things checked off, and therefore you should have a perfect introduction paragraph over here in your document. Then, for each paragraph, there's also a question that says something like this. What is one thing you fixed about your introduction as you completed the checklist on the previous question? If you do not need to fix anything, type nothing. So let's say when you were doing the previous question on your introduction paragraph, you realized I only had one characterization sentence. I added another, right? Let's say you realize you only had one sentence, so you added another. You just tell me what you fixed. Let's say you read your introduction to the checklist and it was absolutely perfect. You don't have to fix anything. No commas, no capitalization. There was nothing you needed to fix. Just type in nothing and you're good to move on to the next. So then it goes body paragraph 1. You do the same thing. Go through this checklist. There's obviously more because the paragraph is longer. And then what did you fix? And if you fix nothing, type nothing. So that's that essay check form. Make sure you get that all done by Tuesday. We'll be all done with this essay before you guys have your MEA break. But check back here Monday. You will have another short little grammar assignment. And then you will also have some time to finish up this essay and submit it. But please, please do not submit your essay organizer and do not submit your essay document until you have completed the check form and that your essay is completely perfect. No flaws, everything is ready to go and you're ready to submit it to me. Any questions or concerns, let me know, but have a great MEA break and check back here Monday for your next week assignment.